Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have a new hand drive video. See friends, there is many color combination, different types of under construction vehicles. So friends, now I will hand drive all of this toy one by one with my hand. So at first is a powerful loader here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this feluda. This one is red and black color combination. And next one is a drum truck here, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this under construction drum truck here. This one is red, black and blue color combination. This one is a cartoony drum truck here, so I will hand drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this drum truck. This one is pink and paste color combination. And next one is a mixer truck here, so I will drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this mixer truck. This one is red, yellow and black color combination. Wow friends, you can see there is a big size fire truck, so I will drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this fire truck. This one is red, black and white color combination. And next one is a big size power backhoe here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this power backhoe. This one is red and yellow color combination. That is the last one is very big size truck on backhoe here, so I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this truck on backhoe. This one is red, black and yellow color combination. So friends, all of this under construction vehicle hand drive and introduced with you. And now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful toys.